Welcome back for a new episode of the Animal Odyssey. Get ready to uncover the dazzling secrets behind the animal kingdom's most colourful creatures. From hypnotic hues to mind-blowing camouflage, nature has mastered the art of colour like no other. But these colours aren't just for show, they serve a purpose, and today we're diving into the science and strategy behind them. So stay until the end, because the last creature on our list will leave you speechless. The science of colours in nature. Colour isn't just about looking pretty, it's about survival. But how do animals get their vibrant shades? There are three main ways. Pigmentation. Some creatures like flamingos get their colours from what they eat. Flamingos start out grey, but their diet of carotenoid-rich algae and shrimp turns them pink. Carotenoids are organic pigments that are absorbed and deposited in the feathers. Structural coloration. Ever wondered why a peacock's feathers shimmer? It's because of microscopic structures that bend light, creating iridescent colours that shift depending on the angle. These structures interfere with light waves, amplifying certain wavelengths and cancelling others. Butterflies, beetles and even some birds use this trick to dazzle predators or potential mates. The precise arrangement of these microscopic structures determines the specific colours seen. Bioluminescence. Some creatures, like the deep-sea jellyfish and the glowing coral, produce their own light using a chemical reaction. This glowing effect, known as bioluminescence, involves the enzyme luciferase acting on the molecule luciferin, producing light. It can be used for communication, attracting prey, or even scaring off predators. But while some colours attract, others warn. This leads us to the art of warning colours. Meet the show-offs of the animal kingdom, the ones who flaunt their bright hues to send a clear message. I'm dangerous! The poison dart frog. These tiny rainforest dwellers come in neon blues, reds and yellows. Their skin is laced with toxins so deadly that some indigenous tribes use them to tip their blow darts. The monarch butterfly. Their striking orange and black wings scream, "Do not eat me," to predators. That's because they feed on toxic milkweed as caterpillars, making them poisonous. The blue-ringed octopus, usually a dull, yellowish-brown. This tiny but deadly octopus flashes its electric blue rings when threatened. It's nature's version of a neon warning sign. The coral snake. The saying goes, red touches yellow, kills a fellow. Red touches black, friend of Jack. These venomous snakes rely on their bright colours to warn predators to stay away. The sea slug, nudibranch. These colourful marine creatures come in shades of neon pink, blue and orange, signalling that they are toxic to predators. But not all colourful animals are dangerous. Some use their shades for an entirely different purpose. The seduction of colour. In the world of courtship, being colourful is the ultimate pickup line. The mandarin fish. This psychedelic swimmer looks straight out of a fantasy movie. With its swirling blues, oranges and greens, it attracts mates in a spectacular underwater dance. The peacock, the undisputed king of colour seduction. A male's shimmering tail with its mesmerizing eye patterns is all about impressing the ladies. But did you know? The bigger and more vibrant his tail, the healthier he is. The bird of paradise found in Papua New Guinea, these birds turn colour into a performance. Some puff up their vibrant feathers, while others perform gravity-defying dances to win over a mate. The guppy. In these tiny freshwater fish, males with the brightest colours have a better chance at finding a mate, but they also risk being more visible to predators. The golden pheasant. With its fiery red and gold plumage, this bird looks like a walking flame. It's one of the most vibrantly coloured birds on Earth and uses its dazzling feathers to attract mates. But sometimes, colours serve a more mysterious role, one that can make creatures almost invisible. Masters of disguise. Nature's tricksters don't just use colour to stand out, they use it to disappear. Camouflage is one of the most fascinating survival tactics in the wild. The chameleon. Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't change colour to match their surroundings. Instead, they shift shades based on mood, temperature and communication. The leaf-tailed gecko. If you think a leaf is just a leaf, Think again. These lizards from Madagascar look exactly like dead leaves, complete with veins and ragged edges. The cuttlefish, the true masters of disguise. These cephalopods can change not only their color but also their texture in an instant, blending seamlessly into coral, sand, or even hypnotizing prey. The Arctic hare, during summer they have brownish-grey fur, but in winter they turn completely white, blending perfectly into the snowy environment. The Malaysian orchid mantis. This delicate insect looks exactly like a flower, allowing it to ambush unsuspecting pollinators. And now for the most mind-blowing, colourful creature yet. The grand finale, the rainbow-coloured animal you won't believe exists. Say hello to the psychedelic frogfish, a bizarre deep-sea fish that looks like a moving blob of neon tie-dye. It doesn't just rely on colour for survival, it changes shades to mimic its surroundings while hunting. This is nature's ultimate combination of camouflage and deception. Conclusion: the power of colour in the wild. From life-saving warning signs to hypnotic seduction and vanishing acts, colours in the animal kingdom are more than just beauty. They are strategies, nature's way of ensuring survival. If you found this journey through the world of colour fascinating, make sure to subscribe to The Animal Odyssey for more mind-blowing wildlife secrets. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's just say, the next episode will reveal an animal so bizarre you won't believe it exists. See you in the next adventure.